how to convert an MKV video to use ProRes-codec, because currently it's using VP9. To do the conversion, I will use XMedia Recode. Come here to download 64-bit, and here's the download button. Place it onto the desktop and install it after that. Okay, close the browser, double click on the installer. Okay, I accept the agreement. Next, install, and launch the program and finish. Now drag and drop your MKV video onto the program. Okay, click on the video itself, and now more options are available here. Leave the profile on custom, and at format select MOV. So format MOV. Now go to video tab and leave the first one on convert, and the codec select here Apple ProRes. So convert Apple ProRes. I will not change anything at the audio. Now let's go to the QE, and this video has to be added here using the plus button, add to QE. Okay, and the destination is that drive G, that's fine. Okay, and click on the encode. Now you have to wait quite a lot. Currently this is being done with around 40 something frames per second. It's a large 4K 60 frames per second video, and it's 1 hour long, so I have to wait around 1 hour and something. The CPU priority is below normal, so you can use your computer. Let's just check here the task manager. And you can see that it's using mostly the processor. That 20-ish%, that's I think my screen recorder. So the program is doing the conversion using the CPU. Now let's wait quite a lot until the program finishes. It is advancing. Okay, now the conversion finished after 1 hour and 3 minutes, and here's the MOV file. The file size is much bigger, 105 gigabytes the ProRes codec, and around, let's say, 10 gigabytes the VP9-codec, but that's harder to edit. Playback is skipping with this one. Basically, this is highly similar to H.265 codec. So now I can drag the MOV file, which is around 10 times larger, and drop it into a video editor like DaVinci Resolve, and whenever I click somewhere it's instantly there. So playback is much faster. It's much easier to edit using a video which is using the ProRes codec compared to any other codec.